As grain sought inside a schist, an ancient woodland indicator called dark dog's mercury, river like liquid shale, and white-tipped black lizard turds on the blue wall, for a loss that every other loss fits inside. Picking a mole until it bleeds, as the day heaves forward on fake determinations. If it's not all juxtaposition, she asked, what is the binding agent? Creepy always to want to pin words on the emotional experience. Jour Hoppeler cockchafer, the caddisworm, the bee louse, blister beetle, assassin bug. The recriminations swarm around sunset when it was otherwise quiet all the way around. You who were given a life, what did you make of it? That was What It Sounds Like by Forrest Gander.